Holiday season and home shopping. It goes together like apple pie and vanilla ice cream. A lot of excitement lately as rates start to trickle down a little bit. A lot more buyers coming back to the market. And don't you want to stay ahead of the curve? Look at this amazing property here in Concord, North Carolina. Today I'll be hosting an open house from 2 to 4 p.m. so you can come tour this 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath, and nearly 4,000 square foot home just 30 minutes from uptown Charlotte. This place is gorgeous inside and out. It even has its own little movie theater studio upstairs, and it has garage parking for 4 cars plus a fifth bay that you could use for storage. It's amazing inside and out. I'll be showing it today. Give me a call if you're interested. I'm Brian Staveley, your Lake Norman Realtor, and I'll see you from 2 to 4 p.m. in Concord, North Carolina. All the details will be below this video. I'll see you.